Hello everybody, today I'm going to try to show you how to form some cheetah brass. We're going to try to take a 243 case and turn it into a cheetah. Hopefully this is going to be successful as it usually is. First thing we're going to need, or I like to start off with, is a set of 243 dies. Standard sizing decapping die that I've already basically have set up for 243. Need a little bit of lube. I like to use my fingers on it so I don't get a lot of lube on there. I can tell that there's lube everywhere on there. As you can see, this is a once fired 243 case out of a 243, and we are going to basically just deprime it. At this point, I like to take the expander ball out and size it again. And basically what that does, it pushes the neck back in a little bit further. You see the expander ball won't even fit in there anymore. So I've already got a smaller diameter neck on here to start with. And after I do all my brass with that, I get the cheetah. Which I've already got set. Now this one was gonna just make sure you got it nice and slippery, because this one's gonna take some pressure. Sometimes I might hit it a second time. And basically there it is. As you can tell, this thing has got a funny looking little bell shape to the neck, and we need to fire form it to look more like that. And I'm going to show you how to do that using some shotgun powder and cream of wheat, so I don't actually have to fire a projectile down the rifle barrel. And then the burr, chamfer, and check our measurement. Next, we're going to actually want to make sure that it fits in the chamber. So we're going to chamber this. And it just had a slight bit of pressure going down on there, so I know my shoulders are sitting against there, and that should work. Now we're going to load this puppy up with some cream of wheat. Okay, you might be asking yourself, why cream of wheat? What's this guy doing? These cheetahs have a nice little habit of burning out a barrel rather rapidly, more rapid than most, for lots of different reasons. So I try to not shoot this thing more than I have to. Fire forming brass is kind of a necessity, but you don't really want to run that much more ammo down your barrel, plus the cost of the actual bullets themselves. So what I do is actually do a dummy load or like a blank. First thing we're going to need to do is prime the cartridge. Without knocking the camera around. And then we're going to add some red dot shotgun powder to this thing. Don't need a lot. Which I find gets enough pressure built up in the case to fire form it correctly. That should be good. And we're going to install that into our case. And that's going to leave a pretty good cavity of empty spot there. Obviously you can't shoot it like that, so that's where the cream of wheat comes in handy. Basically I'm just going to mostly fill it up, that empty space, with cream of wheat. As you can see, we've got a pretty full case there. Might just tamp it a little bit. Then I'm going to take a little piece of toilet paper and I'm basically going to build a wad at the end of this thing. So everything doesn't fall out and I can actually load it and shoot it and do what I need to do. And at that point you just basically need to fire it through your rifle. And there you go. After firing your cream of wheat, you've got your shoulder conformed with the chamber. That's what it used to look like. So you're ready to load this thing, you know, deprime, resize, reload, and off you go, and you're ready for action.